Yo guys, I got you another gun video, real life gun video. This is the 22 bolt action rifle, and this gun is very fun to shoot. It's very light. Well, actually, I'd say the gun's not very light, but the way it shoots is light, so it's very easy to just stand up and hold it and shoot it. And it's a really good shooting gun. And if you missed the gun video yesterday where I was shooting the SKS, just go up to the top where it says videos, click on that, and then go one video back and you will see the SKS video. And I hope you go check that out. So I will catch you guys later. OG Kush, I'm out. Peace.